Hello and welcome to English Caffe. In this video, you're going to learn the English names of 28 kitchen appliances. Listen and repeat. Knife, peeler, chopping board or cutting board, bowl, glass, plate, strainer or sieve, kadai, cooking pan or cooking pot, frying pan, lid, kettle, casserole, basket, container, cup, mug, jug, rolling board, rolling pin, grater, tongs, spoon, fork, whisk, tray, ladle, spatula. That's all for this vocabulary lesson. To learn all the names in English, please watch the video again, pause, understand, and practice. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to English Caffe for more vocabulary lessons. Happy learning!